Alright guys, this is what the box looks like. Couple options here: high-speed motor, monster tires, app control, LED lights, shock absorber, full function. Pretty sweet. Check this out guys. Look at that beauty. That is awesome guys. On and off switch underneath here. You got LED lights underneath. Left and right trim under here as well. They give you a battery. There might be another one in there. We'll have to check. And this is the camera. Put your SD card in the back here. Manual and screwdriver, charging cable for the battery and everything. So for the camera, you mount it on the top here and you plug the cable in right here. So this cable gets plugged in right there. So that's how it looks. Oh guys, that is so cool. So cool. I can't wait to get testing this out. So guys, the remote control is a nice sleek black. I love that. Standard trigger, pull back for forward, push up for reverse and your brake. Power up button on the side here. Nice, just really cool, sleek look. So let's check out probably 4 AA batteries. We'll check that out. So it came with this really sweet looking wing. That just adds to it. So cool, guys. Yep, it takes 4 AA batteries. So you just pop this in here and this holds your cell phone. Make sure you check out the manual for more information on the app and all that fun stuff. And just like I thought, there is a second battery already in here, just not connected. So you got 2 batteries. Very cool. All right, guys, what do you say? Let's test this bad boy out. All right, so we are now going ahead and we are installing the app. Okay guys, so what you do is you connect to the Wi-Fi of the camera. Just follow the directions. They're very easy. Once you do that, you can then go ahead, as you guys can see here. The camera is now in full function mode. So we are ready to go. You can then record by pressing the record button, stop and start. Yeah, so you can also control it. So with the remote, but I personally am just gonna use the controller. So let's go ahead and test it out. So guys, this is what it looks like. Pretty sweet. So you got these lights on here, lights underneath. So very awesome, guys.